Here is a 2023 Starcraft SLS3 Tri-Toon that comes with the Tri-Toon dual axle, dual brakes trailer. This boat is powered by 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. This boat has less than 10 hours on it. Still comes with manufacturer warranty for boat and motor. Got the Tri-Toon storage, dual captain's chair, has the Helix 7 GPS fish finder, upgraded JL audio stereo system, comes with a power bimini, and has the ski tow bar on the back for pulling tubers or skiers. This boat can be seen at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Call today.